Sometimes you gotta get angry. Sometimes it's healthy to say, I'm done with this. I will not take this disrespect. I will not take this attitude. I'm done. I'm out. And sometimes you have to take decisions that may not be what you want it to be, but they are healthy, necessary, and must be done. Sometimes you gotta get angry. Because many people treat you like you are stupid for letting them treat you badly. So sometimes you do have to get angry and protect yourself, and for once stand up for yourself. Sometimes you gotta choose self-love. You gotta say, I will not exist in this universe as a version that tolerates this disrespect. I will just choose not to. So I'll leave, or I'll tell you to get the fuck out, because I have to if I love myself. I don't want to. I would prefer for it to be different, but I have to. Sometimes you just can't continue because people don't change because you want them to. People only change if they want to. And usually people don't change. Not even like that. It takes self-awareness. It takes work to change, to be better. It takes, first of all, you must want to, and many people just don't want to. They prefer to stay comfortable. You cannot wait and try to change people or to change the situation. The situation is exactly how it is. What are you gonna do about it? Are you gonna choose to downgrade yourself, to betray yourself, or are you gonna choose self-love and take that decision that you need courage for? That may be more difficult now, but it will lead to a greater future for yourself. Anger is a sign that you are being disrespected, that you are not being treated the right way. That's when you feel anger. Anger is an emotion that is useful as a flag that shows you, in many cases, that in that situation, you were not treated right. Sometimes you gotta allow yourself to feel anger. You have to. Because it shows you who they are. You have to walk away. If that's what it takes. Better people will come into your life. You're gonna be better. Everything's gonna be better. But you must be courageous enough to shift, to change, to adapt, to move on, and to love yourself.